Okay guys, let us jump on the charts and look at oil.
Matron, take them away.
And a warm welcome to one and all. If it's your first time here, I'm the big fella Scruff. And what I'm trying to do is put trading in the real world. Maybe show you a trick or two along the way. Now I'm going to be very quickly and just jump over onto the charts because we're currently looking at oil. Oh, excuse me. And it's Friday, so I want to be relatively quick in and out. We've got nothing running, no tickets, and that's what you saw me do yesterday. And this one was requested from Chris in the Discord, so it's a little salute to you, my friend. And what we're looking at here is a very, very simple fib setup. That's what these are. And if I just pull down the Discord, you can see that Snoop Dogg today, are we having a bit of a sing-song. I can go with Queen, but Snoop Dogg, not so much. And I was requested to do oil. Now I've already done the breakdown, which is here. Now inside of this is exactly what I'm going to do, how I got my direction and where I'm going, etc. Now I've also gave them the heads up, sort of quarter. It's currently 9:10, so this was half an hour ago. They can see exactly what it is that I'm looking for. You know, I'm looking at oil. I'm predominantly taking it from the hour chart, and I'm looking to sell this. Okay. So why am I selling it? Well, let's have a little look, shall we? There's your hourly chart. Now, this looks like it's on a wonder of a move up. And it has been, because the actual dominant direction, if we look at this, is moving upwards. You can see it. All right, it's come down to the bottom of the range and it's pushing up, but it's had 3 good weeks. But it's Friday, so if we look at what's happened over the course of the period of time, it's had no reprieve. Well, we're now at solid levels. These levels are at a compression point on the daily. So there is going to be activity in and around this area today. Take it down into the hourly where we're looking at. I could see this strong drive here that it's surged against, collapsed into, it's pushed back up, but now it's failing again. But where's it failing? It's failing at the base of these compressions. So that gives me an indication that this may well push down into these blue levels. And the blue levels are made up from a Fibonacci of that. Okay. So I'm really working this wave. Take this down to 15 minutes. And there's the move. You can see it. And what you can see here is an absolute build-up of strength to the sell side. Thump. It's come down. And it's now showing signs that it will sell off. So what we're going to do is I'm going to drop an order in and I'm going to follow it. There we go. All right. Let me show you where I've put that order. 5 minutes. Underneath that candle. Here, and then we're going to target roughly, well, I don't really want it to go past there, so if I just edge that slightly up, that'll make like 50 quid. All right, if I get tagged in, I'm prepared to stage this entire arena and put some extra orders in, but in the meantime I'm not really worried. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to now follow these candles. There is a marker up here that I think is actually a good point of entry. This one here. But we'll see what happens. At the moment, I want the price to come to me. So it's got to come down, pick the order up, and keep on going. Now it might come down, pick it up, move up, and then scream down. But in the meantime, I'm looking just to get it down into this red zone from up here. Now I can kind of push that up a little bit to underneath that red candle. Don't particularly want to, so I'm going to leave it there. But we'll just start increasing the target as we move up. Catch you soon. Okay guys, job's done. Did pretty much what I needed it to do. Work from this zone into this zone, working on these target points. And away we go. And not only that, I got my bacon sandwich by the little Winky here, who's been very nice, but she's been terrible because she's not topping up the Scruffy mug.
You already had two.
Scruffy mug,
You
what?
had two.
I know, but we all know Scruffy likes a coffee. And he has to have a coffee, and we all know Scruffy likes something else. So are you giving that up as well?
You drink too much coffee.
No, I want one of them little cakey things you gave us yesterday. Why? What did you
There's
think?
none left.
Is it not?
I bought 6 the other day and snuggled them all.
It's not good.
You mean the little marshmallow thing?
Yeah, a bit like your brain. Right, we done.
Hey, you heard that?
I love you, come on.
Oh, well.
It's Friday, shall we go to the pub?
No.
No.
I went out yesterday with Kirsty.
No, she didn't. Now she's come back.
I
I'll tell you about that in just a
No,
second.
We had
right?
dinner and I had the smallest glass of wine I've ever had. And
Wait, not. Well, I still think you've really had the glasses of wine. As you can see, there you go. There is the oil trades. Came in. It's made a reasonable money for considering I'm having the day off. I am more than happy with what's gone on. So, let me see what else has been going on in this house. Yesterday, one of us is suffering a hangover today.
I haven't
And
got
she
a
ha- and
No, I haven't. I haven't.
She went out with our daughter yesterday. I'm going out for lunch. I'm going to be not long. I'll see you later. Well, she fell through the door with the Wild Wonder bloody Mark II. You know, what have you got to say for yourself?
Did I bring you some dinner back?
Yes.
Well, there you go.
You also brought Loudmouth back with you, and the pair you screamed and bawled all
No, we
afternoon.
didn't. We were chatting.
God almighty. It was like watching a pack of hyenas having a right go.
No, it wasn't. We were just having a chat. You're getting old and grumpy.
I am getting old and grumpy. And that's because I haven't had my caffeine intake. Why are you pulling your skirt up?
I didn't have a scratch on my leg.
You know, this lot all think that we're deviants to start with. Although Stephen is a bigger deviant, as we found out.
Why? What's he doing?
Eh?
What's Stephen doing?
Oh, he's getting worse at it than what you are.
What?
Well, because he was pointing out his missus was sort of wondering. The boys in the Discord know all about that. They do. So it's a little salute to you, my friend. And I hope she was red-faced. I told you yesterday. I'll tell you later.
I know. I think I remember actually.
Right, sorry. We often go off on a tangent on this channel for no other reason that it's never scripted. It's just me and the Wild Wonder here. I still haven't got my coffee. She's not biting at all. Oi. Oh, I'll make me on then.
Can I get on there? No, you're making me.
Do
You
you?
don't do the sugar thing.
I didn't do anything actually. We go off on a tangent because it's not scripted. It's just us at our job. The trade that you've just seen was requested this morning in the Discord group. I always think if I make an opinion, I should back it up. And that's what I do. Because trading is, as we were discussing this morning in the Zoom call, because we have a face-to-face call every day, it's the most decisive industry going. And why? Because we all have different ideas. We all trying to get to the same destination. We just use different roads. And some people can't see that we're working to the same goal. They just argue over and over. And one of the beauties of the Discord group is we're all on the same page. So those sort of creepy sort of forums that some of them that you go into where everybody's shouting and bawling, none of that happens in the Discord. They're all in it together. So I'm really proud of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a lovely afternoon off. I will drop on the camera sometime tomorrow for a live stream. Has a chance to be mid-afternoon. So if you're interested, do come along and we'll have a little bit of a chat. And apart from that, trade well, keep your risk managed, and above all, do what you love. And the money will follow. See you all in the next one.